How to find who you follow on Amazon. So if you want to find who you follow on Amazon, then what you need to do is first you just need to simply open up your browser and just simply make sure that you've logged into your Amazon. Now under Amazon, what you need to do is you just need to simply go with the top right, tap on your profile and then tap on account. Once you tap on account, now you need to scroll down and here you will have an option of your Amazon profile. So search for your Amazon profile. You'll have that option under your ordering and shopping preferences. You may have that on third or fourth option, but in my case or in my region, it's not available. You will have that option on your third and fourth. So you just need to simply tap on your Amazon profile. Once you tap on your Amazon profile, then it will take you to your Amazon profile, right? Under that, you will have who you follow section. So you just need to simply tap on who you follow, or you will have discover more to follow. So if you tap on it, then it will take you to a page where you will have the information of who you follow on Amazon. So that's it. And if you have any questions, feel free to comment below. Thanks for watching.